Algebra also like numbers. Instead of numbers, we are using letters to represent unknown quantities or variables. If we know something, if you know the money in your pocket, you can say it's like 2000 rupees, like that. Now, if you don't know the money in your friend's pocket, you know your money only, no, your friend's pocket, you don't know. So it is unknown thing, unknown quantity. Unknown quantity, it's a constant value. If you use it for something, like if you use it for eat something or like that, then it will be changed. But think it's now. At this moment, it's in the pocket, no? We don't know that amount. So we can say it as X rupees. My friend has X rupees in my pocket. So we used a symbol to represent the amount of money in his or her pocket. So these are called algebraic symbols. We use English simple letters. Simple letters in the English alphabet to denote these symbols. If we don't know something, some amount of money, some amount of thing, or something which is varying day by day, the price of goods, they are not same these days, no? Day by day, they are changing. So those things we called as variables. If the things are not changing time to time or day by day, they are constants. Algebraic symbols can use to denote or represent constants and variables both. It depends on the instance where we use it. Most common letter we are using is X. The next one is Y. These are the very famous letters in algebra. Without X and Y, there's no any algebra here. Every question, every fraction, every expression mostly comes with these two letters. So these are the famous symbols. We call them as algebraic symbols. Algebraic symbols get together and form expressions. Same symbol or with another symbol or with numbers. X plus 2y. X represent one thing, Y represent another thing. Two symbols get together, add them together. This is called as an expression. We express something. If X is the price of 1 kilogram of rice, Y will be the price of 1 kilogram of another thing we'll take like potatoes. Then X plus 2Y means X is price of 1 kilogram of rice, Y is price of 1 kilogram of potatoes. X plus 2Y is price of 1 kilo of rice and price of 2 kilos of potatoes. Here, this gives an expression, or this gives a combination of two quantities. If they have first introduced these symbols, by looking at the expression, we can describe it. We can have an idea about them. We are telling something using symbols. Simply that. Like numbers, we can add them, subtract, multiply, divide, all the operations we can do. But there is a rule, or there is not a rule actually. We have to consider the like terms. Multiplication, division, no issue. But addition and subtraction, we are adding numbers. No, 3 plus 2 is 5. They are numbers. That's why we can add. They are like terms. When it comes to symbols, so algebraic symbols also, same thing is there. We can add or subtract only same kind of symbols. X represent price of 1 kilogram of rice. Then 2x is price of 2 kilograms of rice. We can add these two. X plus 2x. It's like 1 plus 2. Same kind of things we can add. 1 plus 2 is 3. X plus 2x is 3x. 3x means the price of 3 kilograms of rice. But we can't add the price of rice with price of potatoes. Values can, but the symbols can't write it as 2xy, wrong, 3xy, can't. Only we can simplify. X plus 2y. That's the final answer. We can't add them further. Multiplication, division can, but addition and subtraction, we can't. Only like terms. Same symbols can add or subtract together. So same symbols or same letters we called as like terms. Different letters or different symbols, they are unlike terms. Understood or not? Linaya?
Understood, teacher.
Yumna?
Yes, teacher. Understood.
Dirash?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to give some questions to do now. No need to write these things in words. From year 6 onwards, you are writing these things now. Before go to the questions in the tute, let's do some examples. The command for these type of questions comes as simplify. We have to decide whether we have to add, subtract, multiply or divide. Comes as simplify. We can't find the answer. We can't write x is equal 5 like that. We can't. We can find the answer for equations, not for expressions. First one. 2y plus 3x plus y minus 2x. Now we have two types of symbols. So first thing we have to collect the same kind of symbols. They are called like terms. Collect the like terms. Then simplify. Now I can see 2y. 2y is plus 2y. Usually in positive numbers we don't write its sign. Now when I want to write 5, this is plus 5. If I write this, minus 5. For minus or the negative numbers, we mention its sign. Positive numbers, we just write it. We all know that is a positive number. And at the beginning of an expression, we don't put the symbol. But it's negative, we should put. Now 3x. 3x is plus 3x. Then I circle the y term. Then there is another y term here. Its symbol is plus y. Always sign is in front of the letter or the symbol. Then x terms plus 3x minus 2x. Now I am going to collect them to one place. 2y plus y. Then x terms plus 3x minus 2x. Now they are like numbers. 2 apples plus 1 apple. All together 3 apples. 3y. The next 3x minus 2x. They are like oranges. 3 oranges and 2 oranges. Subtract them. Now it's not addition. 3, 2. Different signs. Subtract. Put the sign of the bigger number. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bigger number is plus 1x. Usually we don't write 1. Then it will be 3y plus x. Okay. Then it's your turn. Second one. 5m minus 2n plus 3m minus 7n. Second one, do it quickly. Collect the like terms and simplify. If you are done, raise your hand. Okay, Yumna. Okay, Linaya. Okay. Okay, we'll collect the like terms. Write them close to each other. 5 plus 3, 8. Same sign at the numbers. Same sign at the numbers. 2 plus 7, 9, n. Write their sign. I think you all got correct. 8m minus 9n. Next one. 5x squared plus 3x plus x squared minus 2x. 5x squared plus 3x plus x squared minus 2x. Do it soon. Yumna, can I have your answer?
6x squared minus x.
Yes, x square terms can add. But x square terms and x terms we can't. We don't consider them as like terms. X square terms can add with x square terms, not with x terms. 5x squared plus x squared, 6x squared. Then plus 3x minus 2x. Different signs. Subtract them. 3 minus 2 is 1x. 6x squared plus x. Fourth example, I'll write with numbers also. A squared plus 5a plus 3 minus 2a minus 3a squared. Now you can see 3 types of symbols or letters there. A terms, a square terms, and constants, that means numbers. Yenali, can I have the answer?
Teacher, is it 4 and a to the power 2 plus 3a plus 3?
Okay, we'll see. A square terms. Half of the answer correct. Only one small mistake is there. A squared. This is minus 3a squared. This is plus a squared. 3a squared. Then a terms. 5a minus 2a. Finally, the numbers, constants. Now we'll simplify. This is plus a squared. This is minus 3a squared. It's like 1 minus 3. Different signs, subtract them. 3 minus 1 is 2. We don't add. Different signs, not the same sign. If they are same sign like this, it's 4. If it's minus 1 minus 3, add minus 4. Now different signs, subtract them. Sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 3. Its sign is minus. So this is minus 2a squared, not 4. Then 5 minus 2. Different sign, subtract them. 5 minus 2 is 3a, sign of the bigger number, plus. Then there is a constant. We can't simplify it further. Write it as it is, plus 3. That's it. Minus 2a squared plus 3a plus 3. Last example. Two over x plus 3 over y minus 1 over x plus 2 over 3y. Same as earlier, same way we are doing. Collect the like terms. Like terms here, x and y. X terms, y terms. These two are like terms. And y terms are also like terms. Collect them together. After this, what we do? Now they are like fractions. We learned about fractions now. If they have same denominators, we can add or subtract. If they don't have same denominators, we have to make them same. Okay, let's check the answer. Now first two are okay. They are having the same denominator. Denominator is x. See? We can subtract them. X is the denominator. Numerator is 2 minus 1. But 3 over y and 2 over 3y, they don't have same denominator. Y and 3y, we have to go for the LCM. So LCM can find using that long division method, or just think they are like 1 and 3. If it's like 3 over 1 and 2 over 3, then what is the common denominator or the LCM of 1 and 3? What we are taking as the common denominator? Yumna?
3y. 3y.
3. Yes, we are taking it as 3. Then to make 3 in the denominator, first fraction I have to multiply by 3. Second
It will be
fraction,
9
no
over
need
3.
to multiply. It's already 3. Same thing here, only the difference is y is there. So it's 3y. Y is already there. We don't have 3. So multiply by 3. Then same, no? Denominator is 3y. Numerator becomes 3 into 3, 9. Plus second fraction, denominator same. No need to multiply. If we multiply by 1. It's 2. Then 2 minus 1 is 1 over x plus 9 plus 2, 11 over 3y. Don't try to simplify it further. This is enough. 1 over x plus 11 over 3y. They are unlike terms now. This is how we simplify. Question comes as simplify. Next type of question, the command or the question command comes as remove brackets and simplify, or expand and simplify. Expand and simplify. Remove bracket and expand, same meaning. First example, 2x plus 5. This 2 is a common factor. Plus 5, 2 minus x. There are two terms. Terms are separated by plus or minus. Now here you can see plus here, and minus here. 3 are there. But actually there are only two terms. First term is this. 2 into x plus 5. In between 2 and this bracket, multiplication is there. Second term is 5 into 2 minus x. There are only two terms. Add these two terms. That's the expression or the idea we can have from this one. Here in this fourth example, the previous example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. We had 5 at the beginning. After we simplify, 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. That's why we call it simplifying. We had lot of terms. We simplified them as much as possible. Now we have smaller number of terms here. Fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. After we simplify, only 2 terms. Now expand and simplify means expand, we make terms. We are going to get a lot of terms now after expand. Now we have only 2. Now we are going to expand it. Expand, remove the bracket. Multiply them out. 2 is common. 2 times x, 2 times 5. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 5 is 10. Here we had only one term here. Now we have 2 terms. We are increasing the number of terms first. After that we simplify. We decrease the number of terms. Second term, 5 into 2, 5 into minus 2. Multiply them out. 5 times 2, 10 plus 10. 5 times minus x. When we multiply two positive numbers or two negative numbers, answer is always positive. When we multiply a positive number with a negative number with a positive number, that means multiply numbers with different signs, answer is negative. Same thing applies for algebraic symbols also. Plus times minus, different signs. Sign become minus. 5 times x is 5x. Again, we had only one term. Now we have 2 terms. Altogether, we have 4 terms now. Now we are simplifying. Expand, increase the number of terms. Simplify, reduce the number of terms. Collect the like terms. 2x and minus 5x. 2 minus 5, different signs, subtract them. 5 minus 2 is 3x, sign of the bigger number, minus. Then numbers, plus 10 plus 10, same sign, add them together, 10 plus 2 is 20. We simplified. We can't simplify this further. We had 2 terms, we expand, then we simplified back and we got only 2 terms. So when we look at the given expression with the brackets, it's look more complicated. Now the answer is simpler. That's why we call simplify. Keep it in the simplest form. Second example. X minus 3 minus 3 x plus 5. We have 2 terms with the brackets. Now we are going to first expand, then simplify. Give it a try before I do. Expand, then add the like terms.
Okay.
Okay, Yumna finished. Deraj finished. Yenali, Linaya. Okay, now all done. Now we'll expand it. X into x, x to the power 2. X into minus 3, minus 3x. That's done. We'll go to the second bracket. 3 into x, 3x, but minus sign is there. Minus 3x. Minus times plus, minus 3 times plus 5. Minus times plus minus, 3 times 5, 15. Collect the like terms. X squared, only one term. X terms, there's 2. Add them together because they are having same sign. 3 plus 3 is 6. X, both are negative. Minus 6x, minus 15. X squared minus 6x minus 15. All got correct? Very good. Then the third example. I don't want to give more examples, I think. You all are good. Two x minus 1 minus 3xy plus 2. This one, third one. Finish, no? Y into 2x. When we are multiplying two symbols together, practice to write them in alphabetical order. There's no any rule to write like that. But if we write like that, it's easy for us to find the like terms. Two xy. Then y into minus 1 minus y. Then the second bracket, it's like minus 1 times 3xy minus 1 times plus 2. We don't write 1 here, but still 1 is there. 1 times 3xy minus 1 times plus minus 3xy minus times plus 2. It's like minus 1 times plus 2 minus 2. Then the like terms, 2xy, this is 2, minus 3xy. Only these two are like terms, others are not like terms, minus y, minus 2. Different signs, subtract them, write the sign of the bigger number. 3 minus 2, 1. We don't want to write 1, minus xy, sign of the bigger number. Minus y, minus 2. Okay. I think your all answers are correct. Now we'll go to the questions in the tute. Did you all download the tute? If not, I can share it through Zoom also. Simplifying algebraic expressions. Simplify as much as possible. Do the first three questions there. Okay, first one. 7xy, 5xy, 13xy, all are like terms. First two we can add no same sign. 7 plus 5, 12. 12xy minus 13xy. Now different signs, subtract them. 13 minus 12 is 1. 1xy, write the sign of the bigger number minus xy. Correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Put a tick. The second one, 2ab, 3ba, 7ab. I told you to write them in alphabetical order, then it's easy to identify the like terms. Now see this 3ba. 3ba is same as 3ab. 2ab minus this is 3ab plus 7ab. All are like terms. If I go as it is, the way they have given it from left to right, 2ab minus 3ab. 2 minus 3, different signs, subtract them. 1ab, sign of the bigger number, plus 7ab. Different signs, subtract them. 7 minus 1, 6ab, sign of the bigger number, plus. We don't want to write that plus sign. 6ab is the answer. Yenali, Linaya, Dirash. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Third one. You can see all are q, but the powers q to the power 2, q to the power 3, 2q power 2, again power 3. So like terms q to the power 2. Then the other two are again like q to the power 3 terms. Q squared plus 2q squared. Then power 3 plus q to the power 3 minus q to the power 3. 1 plus 2, 3q squared. The other one, q to the power 3, q to the power 3. It's like 1 minus 1. 1q to the power 3 minus 1q to the power 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we can cut like this. Answer is 3q squared. Go to fourth one and fifth one. Fifth one, there is a bracket. So you have to remove bracket also. Expand and simplify. Fifth one. Do fourth and fifth. Finished. Fourth one, 3a squared b, 2ab, 4ba squared minus ba. I'll write them in order. 3a squared b minus 2ab. This also I can write a first. 4a squared b, ab. Then it's easy to identify the like terms. 3a squared b, 4a squared b. Both are plus. Add them together. Same sign. No? 3 plus 4, 7a squared b. Then AB terms, minus 2AB minus AB. Same sign again, add them. 2 plus 1, 3AB. Write their sign, minus. 7a squared b minus 3ab. Last one, PQR. PQR. 2pq squared r to the power 5. Second term is pq squared but r to the power 4. So first two terms, they are not like terms. Then we'll remove the bracket. Minus, I'll write them in order. pq squared r to the power 4. Next one, minus times minus become plus 2pq squared r to the power 5. Now it's easy to identify the like terms. Q to the power 2, r to the power 5. R to the power 5. This also having r to the power 5. So these two are like terms, first and the last. They are having same sign. So add them together. 2 plus 2, 4. 4pq squared r to the power 5. The middle two terms, same, like terms. Minus pq squared r to the power 4 minus pq squared r to the power 4. Same sign, add them together. Minus 1, minus 2 pq squared r to the power 4. So these questions are the difficult one in your exercise. Your textbook, most difficult questions selected and put into this tube. So if you can do these questions, that means you all are good. Both correct, right? Fourth and fifth?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Then I told you the command is simplify, whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Question is ask you simplify these. Simplify following. Expand and simplify like that. So multiplication and division is easier than addition and subtraction. So we'll go to multiplication now. When we multiply the same type of symbols, x into x, y into y, like that, we write their powers. X into x is x to the power 2. If I multiply x into x to the power 2, now they are like indices. This is 1, this is 2, same base. Multiplication means add their powers. 1 plus 2 is 3, x to the power 3. If I multiply a to the power 4 and a, this is power 1, a to the power 5. Then when they are with the numbers, 3a squared times 2a cube. Multiply numbers together. 3 into 2, 6. Then letters together. We don't see whether they are like terms or unlike terms. We can multiply. 3 times 2, 6. A to the power 2, a to the power 3. Same base, add the powers. 2 plus 3 is 5. 6a to the power 5. If it's like x squared y into xy cube, x squared terms, this is power 1, x squared, x to the power 1. Add the powers, x to the power 3, y to the power 1, y to the power 3. All are multiplications, y to the power 4. Multiplication is easy. Now let's go to question number 6 and 7. Don't want to write the examples. Multiplication is easy. 6 and 7. Okay, sixth one. We multiply the numbers. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 3, 36. Then we'll multiply x terms. X to the power 1, x to the power 3, x to the power 1. Add all the powers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. X to the power 5. Then y to the powers. Y to the power 2, y to the power 1. Add the powers, y to the power 3. 36, x to the power 5, y to the power 3. Don't write multiplications in between. Seventh one. 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 3, 30. Then a terms. A to the power 1, a to the power 1, a to the power 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, a to the power 3. Then b's, b to the power 1, b to the power 2, that's all. B to the power 3. C, 1, 3, 4, 5. C to the power 5. Add the powers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 30, A cube, B cube, C to the power 5. Then do 8 and 9. Question number 8. Now in this one, multiplication, subtraction, both are there. Not only multiplication. Here, this is subtraction. First two multiply. These two multiply. We'll do that part. Numbers, only 3 is there. Then x to the power 2, 1, x to the power 3. Y to the powers 3, 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Then the next term is minus 2x to the power 3, y to the power 2. Are they like terms? If they are like terms, we can subtract. No any problem. See whether they are like terms or not. Check their powers. X to the power 3. Yes, second term also x to the power 3. Check the y to the powers. First term y to the power 4. Second term y to the power 2. So these are not like terms. We can't simplify this further. That's all we can do. Multiply only. 3x to the power 3, y to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3, y to the power 2. Ninth one, bracket is also there. So first remove this bracket. It goes as a power. 2 to the power 2 times a to the power 2 times b to the power 2. We can write without that multiplication also. Times 5a squared b to the power 4. Then minus, not multiplication, minus 2a squared b to the power 5 times 3a squared b. So there are only two terms, this maroon color or the brown color one and the green color one. Only two terms. So first multiply the first terms. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 into 5, 20. Then a to the power 2, a to the power 2, 2 plus 2, 4. A to the power 4. B to the powers 2 plus 4, 6. B to the power 6. First term done. Then the second term. Minus 2 times 3, 6. A to the powers 2 plus 2, 4. Then b to the powers 5 plus 1, 6. Now we'll see whether we can simplify this further or not. A to the power 4. Yes, this also a to the power 4. B to the power 6. Yes, this also b to the power 6. Not like the eighth one. 9th one, these are like terms. We can subtract them. They are like 20x minus 6x. Simple like that. Don't bother about these powers. If they are same, we can subtract it. 20 minus 6 is 14, a to the power 4, b to the power 6. That's all. So expanding brackets we did, removing brackets. This is one example. We first remove the bracket, then collect the like terms, then final answer. 10th one, it's easy, no? Minus 3 times 2a minus 6a. Minus 3 times plus 8, minus times plus minus 24. That's all we can do. These are unlike terms, a term and a constant. 11th one, it's like minus 1 times a, minus 1 times minus 2b. Minus times a minus 1a, just write minus a. Second term, minus times minus become plus 2b. Can't add, they are unlike terms. Then 12th one, this is one term. We have to remove the bracket. This is another term. Two terms are there. First term, write it as it is. Then expand the bracket. 2a, 2 times 2b. 2 times a, 2a, 2 times 2b plus 4b. Now I can see two like terms are there, 3a and 2a. They are like terms, both are plus, add them together, 5a plus 4b. Then half times 4, half times 4. Or we can say this, half of 4. Half of 10 means 5, half of 10, 5. Half times 10 also 5. 1 times 4, 4. Denominator is 1. 2 times 1, 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Divide each coefficient. Coefficient means the number which is in front of these symbols. 3x, x coefficient is 3. 2x squared. Coefficient of x squared term is 2. Coefficient means the number which is in front of the term or the symbol. If it's minus 2, x squared coefficient is minus 2. Now in this within bracket you can see 4x, 6y plus 8. All are multiples of 2. So we can divide by 2. No any issue. Divide all these coefficients and the last constant 8 by 2. Half of 4x, 2x. Plus times minus, minus. Half of 6, 3y. Half of 8, 4 plus 4. There's no like terms. This is the final answer. 2x minus 3y plus 4. Finished? All correct, no? These are very easy. I don't think these are hard. 14th one easy. 15th one there are fractions, but it's not difficult. Do 14 and 15 quickly. Fourteenth one.
Finish, teacher.
5x. Remove the bracket. 5x, remove the bracket. 3 times 2, 6. X minus times minus plus 3y. First two terms are like terms. 5x minus 6x, different signs, subtract them. Minus 1x minus x plus 3y. I think you all are doing. 15th one. These are fractions. This is like 3 over 4 times 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. This is 3x minus 3 over 4 times 8y. 4 times 1, 4 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, 6y. The second bracket, 3 over 5 times 15. 5 times 1, 5 times 3, 9. Minus 9x. 5 and 5 get cancelled. Minus times minus plus 3y. Now the like terms, 3x minus 9x. Y terms minus 6y plus 3y. Different signs. Subtract 9 minus 3, 6x. Sign of the bigger number minus 6x. Next two terms, different signs. Subtract them. 6 minus 3 is 3y. Sign of the bigger number minus. Minus 6x minus 3y. All are correct? Good. Derash?
Miss done.
Okay, good. Now we can find this x. What is the value of this unknown term? We are using these ones to represent something. No? X, Y, A, B, they are algebraic symbol. We use them to represent some amount of money, some amount or some number of things like that. So we can find it. So only in equations we can find that. Expressions are simplified. Now the previous one, the question command comes as simplify, expand and simplify, remove the brackets and simplify. In our answers, we have that algebraic symbol x, y, we have them. But in equations, the final answer is a constant value. It can be a decimal, fraction or a number, whole number value. We can find the value of x. Now these are called linear equations because power of this algebraic symbol, this is x now first, the 16th one, see, x plus 5 equal 20. This is x to the power 1. So these are called linear equations. Linear equations, after we solve it, we can find only one answer for this x. Only one answer for x. Then we have quadratic equations. Quadratic equations means power 2. X to the power 2, x to the power 3, like that. Quadratic power 2 only. There are two answers for x. Then cubic equations. X to the power 3. We can find 3 answers for x. So let me know whether you all can stay till 8 or not. If you all can stay till 8, I can do this equation part also. Can, right? Yeah. At least we can do that linear equations part now. Write the heading, solving linear equations. solving. We are finding the value of that unknown term. Mostly we are using equations in terms of x. X plus 2 equals 7. Now for equations, there are two sides. In the middle, we have equal mark. Left hand side, I have x plus 2. Right hand side, I have 7. Left hand side, x plus 2. It's like an expression, algebraic expression. In left hand side, it's an expression. Right hand side, it's only a number, constant term. So there are two sides. So when we are solving, we have to isolate this unknown term or the symbol. We have to keep it in one side. Take every other numbers or any other things, letters, everything to other side. Now x plus 2 equals 7. In small classes, you have learned it. Do the opposite of this operation. Now we are going to find x now. We'll keep this x here. We are going to move this plus 2 to other side, right hand side. Then plus 2, opposite of plus is minus. This is added, no? We subtract that. When we add, subtract, multiply, divide one side of an equation to balance it, we have to do the same thing to the other side. These are like balance. Now equal mark is there, no? Both sides balanced. This side x plus 2, other side plus 7. Now if I take this plus 2 out from this side, the other side of the balance also, I have to do the same thing. Remove 2. Then after I remove also the balance, these two plates of the balance still they same. They are in equilibrium. They are balanced. Now after I remove plus 2 from this side, it's only x. Then if I remove plus 2 from the other side, it becomes 5. So simply this is the meaning of equations. Now when we are solving, this is plus 2. We'll move it to other side or do like this. In small classes, you did like this. X plus 2, subtract 2, equal. From other side also, subtract 2. Then plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled because it's like 2 minus 2, 0. Only x is remaining. 7 minus 2 is 5. Answer is 5. X is equal to 5. Now we don't want to do like that. Now we know the method, no? So we'll write it like this. I'm writing the same thing. X plus 2 equals 7. Take this plus 2 to other side. It goes as minus 2. So this side, left hand side, I only have x. Then when it goes to other side, it's 7 minus 2. X is equal to 5. If you can write it at once, that's better. Without writing this step, can write the answer at once. Equal mark is in the middle. Don't write equal marks here and here because these are equations. Expressions, when we simplify for each step, we put the equal mark. Equations, equal mark is in the middle. The second example, I'll use another letter y. Y minus 3 is equal to 12. We are taking this minus 3 to other side because we want to isolate y. Y is equal 12 minus 3 become plus 3. Y is equal to 15. The next example, if x is negative, 5 minus x equal to. If it's like this way, now see this x term is negative. If I keep it in left hand side and simplify, I can find the answer for the negative x. Now, if I use the same method, I have to take this 5 to other side, no? Then minus x is remaining in this side. Right hand side, it is 2 minus 5 because this is plus 5. Then minus x is equal, different signs, subtract them. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. See, I found the answer for minus x. But I want the answer for plus x. Solve means always we find the value of the positive letter, positive symbol, positive unknown term, not for the negative one. So here also we can simplify it one more step. This is like minus 1 times x. Then we can divide it. We can do like that. Or at the beginning, we can do a small change there. I wrote 5 minus x equals 2. No? Anyway, I want to find the value of x. No? There's no any rule to keep it in left hand side and solve. Don't move it to right hand side. No, there's no any rule like that. What I am going to do is I am going to take this minus x to right hand side. Then when it moves to other side, it changes its sign. No? Left hand side, I have only 5 equal to this minus x become plus x. Whenever we move one term to other side, it always changes its sign. Whether it's a number or a letter, same thing. Minus x become plus x. Now we'll keep it in right hand side. We are going to isolate it in right hand side. So I have to take this 2 to this side. Then it becomes minus 2. 5 minus 2 equal x. 5 minus 2 is 3. X is equal to 3. This is how we do if it's added or subtracted. What if it's multiplied? Fourth example, 5x equals 30. Now what's the operation in between 5 and x? It's times multiplication. If it's added, what we do? We subtract. If it's subtracted, what we do? We add. Now this is multiplied. Opposite of multiplication is division. We divide and isolate x. When we are dividing, we have to divide it by the coefficient of that letter or the symbol, coefficient of x, because we want to cancel it off. 5x divide by 5. Other side also divide by the same number. This is 30, not 36. Then 5 and 5 get cancelled. Only x is remaining in left hand side. Right hand side, 30 divided by 5. 5 times 1. This is 5 times 6. X is equal to 6. This is when it...
Teacher,
Yes.
I have to leave immediately because I have to go out now. Can I leave?
Tell me again.
I have to leave the class immediately because I need to go somewhere else. Can I leave?
It's okay. So you can do the questions in solving equations part.
Yeah.
Questions start from 16.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can complete it up to 25.
Okay, teacher.
16 to 25.
Okay.
We'll go to next example. Fifth one I am going to do for division. Y divided by 7 equal to 2. We are going to find y. That means we are going to isolate it. Divided by 7. Opposite of division is multiplication. Multiply both sides by 7. 2 times 7. Our target is to cancel off these numbers. Then 7 and 7 get cancelled. Only y is remaining. 2 times 7 is 14. Y is equal to 14. So I did one example for addition, subtraction, when it's with a negative sign, multiplication and division. Some equations are there combining these operations, additions, multiplication, divisions, everything together or two of them together, like that. So write these 5 examples quickly. If you wrote these examples, you can come to the questions in the tute. Start from the question number 16 under solving equations. 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, up to 19 can. 4 questions are there. Derash, I think you also finished.
Yes, miss.
Okay. 16th one, move this 5 to other side. X is equal to 15. This goes as addition. X is equal to 25. This is divided to the multiplication. 5 and 5 get cancelled. X is equal 2 times 5, 10. With this 0, it's 100. Now this is negative. First we'll take this minus x to other side. 20 equals 5 plus x. Then 5 comes this side, left hand side. Here only x. 20 minus 5 is 15. Correct? Good. Now come to this one. 20th one. This is multiplied. Write the answer quickly. I want to help you for 21. 20th also can do. This is multiplied, divide it. If it's an improper fraction, convert into a mixed number. In these equations, you can write the answer as a fraction or a decimal. No any problem. Divide by 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled. X is equal 12 over 5. If I convert it into a mixed number, 12 means 2, 2 over 5. If I write this as a decimal, 2, then remainder comes as 2, 20, 2.4. Both are correct. 2, 2 over 5 and 2.4. (21). See this one. X is in the denominator, not in the numerator. First, we have to take it up. One method is, this is denominator 1, turn both sides upside down. Write the reciprocal in both sides. Second method is cross multiply. Most famous method is this cross multiply. 34 with 1, x with 5. Cross multiply them. 34 times 1, 34. Equal x times 5, 5x. Now these two are same. 5x multiplied by 5. Opposite is division. So if I use that other method, I told you to turn it upside down. Then x over 34 equals 1 over 5. Then this is divided by 34. Opposite of division is times by 34. Then 34, 34 get cancelled. X is equal 1 into 34, 34 over 5. This is another method, but most famous method is this, cross multiply. 5x is equal to 34, multiplied by 5, so divide by 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled. X is equal 34 over 5. If I write this as a mixed number, 34 is 5 times 6 is there, remainder 4, 5. Or if I write it as a decimal, this is, I can multiply by 2, 8, 6.8. Both answers are correct. This is how we solve if the unknown term or the algebraic symbol comes to the denominator. Cross multiply is the famous and easiest. Okay, that's easiest. Sometimes it's not. Finished? Yenali and Dirash?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Yenali? Now see this one. We have to go for two steps. Subtracted, multiplied. Two operations are there. First we remove this 3, then come to 5. So this is subtracted. Now when it goes to other side, it goes as addition. 5x equals 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3 is 20. Then divide. 5 and 5 get cancelled. X is equal to 4. Two operations. First this minus or the subtract 3. We do addition. Then multiplied by 5. We do division. Come to 23rd one. Now you have an idea to do this. Without my help, you can continue then. 23rd. Give it a try. This also has two ways to do. Can remove the bracket and do, or without removing the bracket also can. If I remove the bracket and do, 5 times 10, 50. 5 times 3, 15x equals 30. See this 15x? This is negative. We have to find the value of positive x. Can move it to other side. Then only I have 15 here. 30 plus 15x. Then we'll move 30 to this side. 50 minus 30 is 20. Then to take away or remove this 15, divide by 15. Then only x is there. This one I can simplify. 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 4 over 3. Improper fraction, write it as a mixed number, 1, 1 over 3. If you convert this into a decimal, it will be a recurring decimal. 1.3333, it goes like that, no? 3 dot. So it's better to keep the answer as a mixed number without writing this recurring part, recurring decimal. The second method is without removing the bracket. 5 times 10 minus 3x equals 30. In between this 5 and bracket, multiplication is there. So first we'll remove this 5. It's multiplied now. What we do is we divide it. We have to divide both sides. Then this 5 and 5 get cancelled. I only have 10 minus 3x in left hand side. Right hand side, 30 divided by 5 is 6. This is 5 times 1. This is 5 times 6. The same issue is there still because this 3x, it's negative. We'll move it to right hand side. Then this side I have only 10 equal 6 plus 3x. Then take this 6 to this side. It comes as minus 10 minus 6 equal 3x. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. X equals 4 over 3. 1 over 3. Can use both ways. Both are for the same question. 24, 25, same like this 23rd one. Okay, come to next one, 24th one. If I remove the bracket, 7 times 2, 14, minus 7 times 5, 35, x equals 49. Then move this to right hand side. 14 equals 49 plus 35x. Then 49 comes to this side. 14 minus 49 equals 35x. Subtract and write the sign of the bigger number. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3 minus. Divide both sides by 35. 35 and 35 get cancelled. X equals 35 times 1. This is also 35 times 1, but it's minus 1. If you use the other method, this is 7 times, opposite is division, divide by 7, 49 divided by 7 is 7. Then 2 minus 5x is equal to 7. Then same method, take the negative term to right hand side and make it positive. Isolate x. I will do this 25th one by using that other method. Second method is easier for these ones because see, 49 is divisible by 7. This 23rd one, 30 is divisible by 5. That's why it's easy. If it's not divisible by this number, then it will be a fraction. Then it's not easy. 6 times divide by 6. 6 and 6 get cancelled. Only 4 minus 7x is here. 6 times 1, 6 times 6. So this side is 6. Then move 7x to other side to make it positive term. 6 comes to this side. You can do both at once in one step. 4 minus 6. I will take it to this way. Equal plus 7x. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Subtract, write the sign of the bigger number. Divide by 7. 7 and 7 get cancelled. Answer is x equals 2 over 7. Okay. I'll erase this. Then we have to collect all the x terms into one side and solve. We'll do that part next week. So we have to go from here. equations with x on both sides. So don't think that you don't have any homework. I thought of sharing 10 questions to do as homework, not from only numbers and the algebra lessons. The lessons which there is in your first book, they are very easy lessons now. Only 10 questions. You can do all 10 within 1 hour. 1 hour paper like that. I will share it on Monday. Not a hard one. Easy paper because your term tests are coming now, July. Okay. Do you have any questions or any doubts? Now it's time for you. Now 3 hours. I was talking. Now time is for you all.
No, teacher.
No. Yenali? Derash?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then we can finish the class. Good night. If you have any question or any doubts to ask, you can text me, put a message through WhatsApp. I'll check it. If there is any answers to check by me, I can check and send you. Anything if you want to ask, you can share it through WhatsApp. If I get a free time, I can mark and share. Monday, I will share those 10 questions. Then we'll finish the class. Good night. Have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher. God bless you, teacher. Have a nice day, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes.
Hmm.